Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to create an account on TradingView in 2025, quickly and easily. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. Step 3. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google, Apple, or Facebook account. For this tutorial, we'll use the email method. Step 4. Enter your username, email address, and password. Make sure your password is secure. Then check the box to agree to TradingView's terms of use. Step 5. Click Create Account. Now, go to your email inbox and click on the verification link sent by TradingView. Step 6. Once verified, your account will be activated. That's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.